In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VAT in Zoho Invoice. Whether you're running a small business or freelancing, understanding how to correctly apply VAT to your invoices is essential for maintaining compliance and ensuring your financial records are accurate. So, let's dive into this simple yet crucial process. First of all, you'll want to navigate to the Invoices section within Zoho Invoice. You can choose to either create a new invoice or use an existing one. This flexibility allows you to add VAT regardless of whether the invoice has already been drafted or you're starting from scratch. If you're creating a new one, simply click on the New Invoice button and provide the necessary details such as the client information, products, or services offered. If you're working with an existing invoice, locate and select it from your list of invoices, ensuring that all other details are up to date before proceeding. Now, as you move down to the item table within the invoice, you need to find where it lists the products or services. Here, you will see a drop-down option labeled Tax. This is where you will apply the VAT. Click on this drop-down menu and you'll see various tax options that you can apply to each line item in your invoice. What you want to do here is to select VAT from the list of available taxes. This selection will automatically calculate the VAT percentage based on the configuration set up in your Zoho Invoice settings and apply it to the respective item. Applying the VAT on each line ensures that the tax is calculated in the total of your invoice accurately, reflecting any and all taxes required for your business transactions. This is a critical step in complying with local taxation laws and will help keep your business accounting clean and precise. It ensures that both you and your client have a clear understanding of the cost breakdown, preventing any potential confusion down the line. Once you've selected VAT for all applicable products or services, take a moment to review the entire invoice. Double-check that all details, including the client information, product descriptions, and amounts, are correctly filled out. It's always a good practice to verify everything before finalizing any document to prevent mistakes that could lead to misunderstandings or extra work later on. Finally, you have the choice to either save the invoice or go ahead and send it directly to your client. If you're ready to send it out, simply click on the Send and Submit option. This action will deliver the invoice to your client via their preferred method of communication, ensuring swift and efficient delivery. Alternatively, if you're not quite ready to send it, you can simply save it to continue working on it later. Either way, make sure that your records are up to date for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully added VAT to your Zoho invoice. With these steps, you can feel confident that each invoice you issue is both accurate and tax compliant. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your invoicing process.